Our new lesson is all about courage. What is courage? Courage refers to the quality of being brave. It is the value of being able to face and overcome your fears for you to do what is good. Courage begins by knowing what is good, true, and right. This gives you the confidence that you are not doing anything wrong and you're heading in the right direction. You are brave or courageous when you do not run away from challenges. Second, you face your fears with confidence and address and overcome them. Third, you do what is right even if others do not. Fourth, you stand up for what is right. How to develop courage? First, you have to face your fears. Realize that everyone has their own fears. You are not the only one who has ever felt afraid of something or something. Remember that not all fears are bad. Fear is a natural response intended to protect us. Courage is acting responsibly even though we are afraid. Also, it is not courageous to do something just because your friends are doing it. It is courageous not to do it. Next is face your fears. You have to conquer your fears. Courage is something that you can and need to develop when you make it a habit to face your fears and try to do something about them. If we do the thing we fear, for example, reciting in class, you can conquer that fear is raising your hand and volunteering to speak in class. Of course, you need to be prepared for your lessons. Speaking of prepared, be prepared. When you go to school unprepared, you get nervous because you are not prepared for discussion in the classroom or virtually. And you are afraid to face your teacher and say you were not able to do your homework. If you do this every day, then life at school becomes miserable. Next is ask for help. Be humble and brave enough to ask help from your elders or your parents. There are things and situations that you cannot realistically handle. Being assisted by our parents, your teachers, and older siblings can help our bravery. We also learn from them the right way to deal with things that frighten us. So don't forget to ask for help. Lastly, doing for what is right even in difficult situations. To be brave means doing what is right even if no one is looking and even when others are not doing what is right. Your classmates may tease you and say bad words or even threaten you if you do not let them copy your homework or your answers. But you do what is right anyway. I hope you have learned from our lesson. So next time, if you face difficult situation, just face it and do what is right. Again, have courage everyone.